Today we're going to look at a Ranga fountain pen. They all come in this type of gift box. It snaps shut. They'll all be in different colors and designs and patterns. They have a wide variety of different colors and patterns of their gift boxes. Inside it says Ranga handmade pens right on top, and then your pen is inside. This is the Ranga 4C fountain pen. And as I said, all the Ranga pens are handmade. And the Ranga 4C fountain pens are actually handmade from solid ebonite. The Ranga 4C fountain pen has this low gloss finish that is intriguing. Most of the finishes I see come through the doors are definitely gloss finish or matte finish, which I also love, but it's just a little bit different, which is cool. It has a spring metal clip, and right on the clip you'll see engraved the name of the company, Ranga. The cap and the end of the barrel are rounded. The shape of this pen is cohesive through the barrel and the cap. Just nice. It's very streamlined. You almost don't notice the connection. And this is a threaded cap. So when you're ready to use your pen, you just unscrew the cap. You'll see immediately that you have a Bock nib here. This is a number 6 stainless steel Bock nib. You can see right on there that it's designated as a Bock. When you're ready to use your pen, you're going to unscrew your barrel from the section. Inside, they already come fitted with their Schmidt converter. This is your Schmidt K5 ink converter. And you can see it is has got the Schmidt branding right there on it. So you've got your Bock nib, you've got your Schmidt ink converter, and if you prefer not to use bottled ink, the ink converter is for use with any fountain pen ink that's bottled, you can just remove the ink converter and instead you can insert any standard international size ink cartridge. And that is it. This is your Ranga fountain pen, handmade and available in a variety of different colors. And if you really like the look of the Ranga 4C, you could also check out the Ranga 4CS model, which is a slightly smaller version of the 4C, and they also have other models available too that you might enjoy. So check out the Ranga pens at pinchlet.com.